Morning, Mr. Jason's friends. It's Mr. Jason here. It is May the 4th, a famous and probably one of my favorite days, Star Wars Day. So I've got my Star Wars hat on. I've got a Star Wars shirt. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's got a little Darth Vader on it. And it's one of my favorite days. I was hoping to find a Star Wars book for you guys to enjoy, but I couldn't find one that I really liked. But that's not a problem. I found a different book that I like. I came over here to Epic, my website, and I found all these great books. And one of my favorites I liked was The Three Little Pigs and Their New Neighbor. So I'm going to click on this book here, make this just a little bit bigger for us, and then we can start reading. The Three Little Pigs and the New Neighbor. Written by Andy Blackford and illustrated by Tomslava Savatic. Okay. Once there were three little pigs. One lived in a house made of straw. One lived in a house made of sticks. And one in a house made of bricks. See that? We've got our stick house here, and our straw house, and our brick house. Those are happy little pigs. One day, a new neighbor moved in next door to the straw house. "Oh no!" cried the little pig. "It's the big bad wolf. He doesn't look very big or bad to me." All day the wolf worked hard, sorting out his new home. "Now I'm hungry," he said, and prepared himself a tasty dinner. But he knocked over the pepper shaker. The pepper went everywhere. Oh no, look at all that pepper. Oh, what does pepper make you do? Pepper makes me sneeze. The wolf coughed and sneezed and choked on all the pepper. It even got in his eyes. Oh no! "I need water," he gasped, "but I haven't got any. Perhaps the little pig next door will help me." Uh-oh, so he's going to go ask the little pig next door for some help. The wolf knocked on the first little pig's door. The pig was so scared he squealed, "Go away! There's nobody home!" I think he's thinking bad things, isn't he? Look at that. He thinks he's going to get eaten. The wolf knocked even harder. But the door was only made out of straw, and his paw went right through it. The little pig ran to his brother's house made of sticks. "Help! Let me in! Let me in! The big bad wolf is after me!" he squealed. "Oh no," wheezed the wolf. "There's no one at home. I'll try next door. The little pig there might help me." So, looks like he's headed to the stick house, and they're hiding here in the window. You could see him. The wolf knocked on the door, and the two little pigs quickly hid. Oh no, they look really scared. "Let me in," the wolf sputtered, but no one answered. Maybe there's someone upstairs, he thought, and he began to climb up. Look at that. But the wolf was heavy, and the house was only made out of sticks. The roof broke, and he fell right through. Oh no! And our pigs are escaping. They're running away. "Oh dear, what a mess," the wolf groaned. "Perhaps the little pig next door will help me." See, our pig friends are running to their big brother's house at the brick house. The two little pigs ran next door to their brother's house. "Help!" they cried. "The big bad wolf is trying to eat us up." Oh no, there's the big bad wolf coming for his water. As the wolf knocked on the door, the third little pig shouted, "Go away! My house is made of bricks. You'll never get in and eat us up." "But I don't want to eat you up. I only want some water," coughed the wolf. The three little pigs laughed. Then they gave the wolf as much water as he could drink, and plenty more. Everybody looks pretty happy now. He's got his wolf water here and getting sprayed with the hose. It looks kind of fun. All right. Well, we have finished that book, so I'm going to click finish the book here. Ta-da! All right, guys. I hope you had a great time listening to me read The Three Little Pigs and Their New Neighbor. As always, if you're interested in Epic, just let me know. I can get you onto Epic. I believe it's got access to a ton of great books, and you can go through them and find the ones that you enjoy and read them to yourself or have them read by mom or dad maybe. Anyways, just let me know and I'll help you get that started. Thanks, guys. Have a great May the 4th.